Federal Executive Council meeting for State House. Federal Executive Council don approve strong implementation, monitoring and evaluation framework to make sure say the new National Development Plan 2021 to 2025 wey get size of about 350 trillion naira achieve the national objectives of a prosperous economy. Vice President Yemi Osinbajo na the head of the implementation unit of the plan, with 6 governors wey represent the geopolitical zones of the country, form part of the committee and dem still be members of the private sector. Minister of State for Budget and National Planning, Clement Abba, announce am to Tori pipo.
What is different with this plan is that it provides a mechanism to engage, to empower, and to employ our teaming, energetic youths.
The private sector, as the main drivers of the new national development, they expected to contribute 300 out of the 350 trillion naira wey they require to take achieve the set goals for the 5-year period. Provisions don dey ground to take increase revenue to GDP from 7 to 15%.
What the plan envisages is for us to build in efficiencies within the system, remove the various binding constraints, all those things that impede on the private sector from running, so that more people can come into business and the ones already existing can grow more. They will employ more people who will pay taxes, and these companies will grow and pay more taxes. And that way we increase our revenues.
The plan come in 3 volumes as a truly paying business wey look into how to take bring in different levels of infrastructure like power supply to rural areas towards discouraging rural-urban migrations.
I am absolutely confident it will work. You know, we are very pragmatic with this plan that we've put together. We should be positive and see the goodness in our country.
Federal Executive Council don approve 2.16 billion naira to the National Agricultural Research Institute and agencies and 2 other certified companies to produce and distribute seeds and seedlings to farmers across Nigeria to enhance efforts of food security.
The second memo is for the purchase of 1,014 soil test kits and soil analytical laboratory equipment to National Institute of Soil Science at the cost of 278 million.
Ministry of Water Resources also secure approval to utilize about 3.5 billion naira for water resource project phase 2 for Yobe State.
Essentially, this contract was awarded to address the acute water supply situation in Geshua, which is well within the Sahelian region, and also because in recent years there has been some prevalence of kidney diseases and kidney failures, and quick intervention was required so that we'll be able to address this situation.
From State House, Usarugwe Monday for TMC News.